Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can add Visa gift card and credit card to Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now the adding card steps are simple. So what you're going to be doing is going to settings or your wallet, and then from over here you're going to navigate to your wallet. Then you're going to be tapping on this option of add card. Now as soon as you've tapped on the add card, you will be navigated to the section where you'll have to add in details. Go ahead and manually add the details of your credit card or the Visa gift card. Now the thing that you have to make sure of that Apple Wallet does not support all kinds of Visa gift cards. It does accepts yours, and it will be continue to another interface, another step where you have to confirm maybe some security verification. Once you have done that, you will be tap next, and done. Your card will be added to Apple Wallet. When you open up your wallet app, your card will be listed there. Same goes for the credit card as well. Go ahead, add in the credential and confirm the details, and when you open up your Apple Wallet app, that shall be over here listed, and you can use it, remove it, check out the details accordingly. That's how what it takes for you to simply enter the card of yours. And hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.